thank God for His mercies and His faithfulness. I just give God all the glory. I do not take it for granted. I don't take it for granted. This is God's doing, and I appreciate God. God has been faithful so by me, and it's time. He just put I want to thank all my friends and my family for their support and for everything. Today is just, I'm speechless. This went further than I expected and I planned. In fact, I did not know that I knew so many people. I thought it was because I just go to work and come back. People came out and supported, and I thank God. I don't think I'm that nice, but apparently I must have done something to deserve this amount of support and love from people. I really thank God. And my husband's friends from Dallas, I really thank them. I appreciate them because this is such an honor. It is such an honor.
Pataki, Lomo, Bibi.
I want to thank everybody that came out to support in kind, in cash, people that helped to put this together, my friends that helped to cook. I thank. In fact, I cannot even thank everybody. So if I miss that everybody, I'm not going to mention it, but God knows you and I know you. I know everyone that supported, and I really appreciate everybody. So I thank God for this baby. I pray that, it is time with us that God will just perfect everything. There's still some rough edges, but I know God can, make everything perfect. I thank God again. I thank everyone. Thanks for coming, and God bless you.
Ebun, Pataki, Lomo, Bibi. Ebun, Pataki, Lomo, Bibi. Ìyá àbúrò kú ewu. Kọ́ńkọ́ lóyò ìyá àbúrò kú ewu. Kọ́ńkọ́lóyò bàbá àbúrò kú ewu. Kọ́ńkọ́lóyò ọmọ tuntun àlejò ayé káàbọ̀ sáyé o.
I want to thank God for making this day possible. The dedication of my baby boy, beautiful boy. I want to thank God for making everything happen. And also, I want to appreciate members of Christ the King Church, members of Yoruba Station of Tulsa, and most importantly, my friends from Dallas, Taga, Mr. Dari, Sakoko, and their wives. I want to thank you all for coming to make today a possible day for us. And also my wife, I really appreciate, her giving me that baby boy. I'm really happy about the boy. Fiyinfoluwa, Ezekiel Ogune. It's good that you came around. I'm really happy for having you. And also our daughter, Ajilore Ogune. Thanks you for being there. She has been everything to us, supporting us, take care of the baby. Thank you, God. Thank you.